Hey guys, this is Dr. Brian Schutzbach with Reed Medical Group, Concierge Medicine. I'm board certified in family medicine and sports medicine. Here to talk to you a little bit about nutrition. A lot of patients are trying to lose weight. A lot of people are having troubles with it. There are quick fixes out there for the right candidates with medicines and supplements. Really, everybody needs to have a foundation of reducing their total number of calories per day. And when you reduce your total number of calories per day, you will lose weight over time when you're consistent. A little trick of keeping track of your calories, if you use an app like MyFitnessPal or Lose It, set an alarm in your phone. Do it right before lunch, right before dinner, right before bedtime. Then you kind of know how many calories you're having with each meal. If you have a larger lunch, at dinner you need to probably just have a salad, have something that has a lower calorie content to achieve your goal for the day. Personally, I use a protein alarm. At 10 a.m., if I'm busy in the clinic, I'll forget to take my protein shake because I know I need more protein in my diet to achieve my protein goal for the day. So I do the same thing myself. That's what I really advise patients to do whenever they come in and they want to talk about weight loss is a starting point, a foundation is really knowing how many calories you're having per day. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys and you can take that with you and hopefully spread some kindness and like I always say, make it contagious.